Of many devlogs on the low poly shooter game that I'm working on right now. So basically, the game I'm working on is a low poly shooter multiplayer game. I will be using Photon for multiplayer functionality. So the first thing I decided to tackle was making a rough version of the player and animating him. So after some time in Blender, I came up with this like perfection. It's obviously like the best character model you've ever seen. Yeah, I mean it doesn't have materials or anything because this is just like a quick model. It definitely didn't take like 5 minutes and it's only for test purposes. So I'll go and like make a better player later on, like after I get like the basics done. So after making that, I just exported him into Unity and made him red so he'll be easy to see. I needed like a platform to test like the movement and stuff, so I just made a plane and added a bunch of red pillars so I could judge how fast I was going and so I could notice how much I was turning. Now it was time for player movement. Since I haven't done 3D development in a while, I had to rely on brackeys and the character controller component for my basic movement. I also got a quick and easy camera script from brackeys so that I could look around properly and like not like have 360 view and stuff because that wouldn't make sense. So now with movement out of the way, I got to making some dope animations. Since I'm an amazing YouTuber, as you can see from my uploading record, I only recorded me making the amazing walking animation, which did not take longer than it looks to make, obviously. So just take a look at these amazing animations. Alright, to get these animations to work in the game, I set up a blend tree with all but the crouch animation because I couldn't get that to work with my current parameters because the crouch would take like a crouch bool, not not position X and Y. So because of this, I had to settle for like switching between blend tree and like a normal like animation state, and I used the crouch value for that. When I was making the animation controller, I realized I was just repeating most of the stuff I had in my controller like for movement. Because of this, I had to change my player controller to set my animator parameters, which wasn't that hard, but like a bug I came across was that when I pressed shift to run, the speed wouldn't reset back to normal. So to fix this, I just made a private float that was run speed and I set it in the start method by just setting it equal to the normal speed times the sprint multiplier. So with this, I would set the speed of the player to run speed when he held down shift, and when he let go of shift, I would set the speed to the normal speed. After testing that it worked, I realized that when I crouched, the player was still going like at the normal walking speed, and that unlike most crouches, he was still at the same height like the camera was. So to adjust that, I just went to the animator and then moved the camera down to like be level with the head. So yeah, so now I changed the crouch speed. I did this similarly to how I set the sprint speed. I created a crouch speed float, and in the start method I set it equal to half of the normal speed. I then set player speed to crouch speed when crouch got toggled on, and then set it to normal speed when crouch was not toggled on, if that made sense. Well, alright, so that is what my project looks like so far. It's not good, but it's not bad. As I said before, I'm still gonna like redo the entire character because this is just for test purposes, and I still need to create like the UI and like be able to like shoot guns and hold guns, which I have no clue how to do, but hopefully I can figure it out. And I also need to like get the player like multiplayer compatible, so I need to use like the photon view and that stuff. So well, that's the end of this week's devlog. I hope you guys are excited about my new project, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.